Welcome to LVS Tech Buddy, your go-to destination for all things about tech support. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and solve any technical issues you might be facing on your computer. If you need help with any issue, just write it on comments so that I will try to make a video on it. Hi friends, in this video we are going to know how to change the name of our computer. Thank you.
To change the computer name on a Windows computer, you can follow these steps. 1. Open the Start menu and type About in the search bar. Click on the About Your PC to open it. 2. In the About window, you can see device specifications. There you can see the device name, which is the computer name. 3. Scroll down there, you can see Rename this PC. Click on it. 4. There type the new name that you wish to give to the computer. 5. You will be prompted to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Click OK to restart your computer. After your computer restarts, the new computer name will be in effect. Note that changing the computer name may affect network connections and may require you to update file and printer sharing settings on the network.
The method which was explained before will work on some type of Windows 10 and 11. The method I'm going to explain right now will work on all versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11. Right-click on the Windows button and click on the Run window. On the Run window, type sysdm.cpl. If you get a message from User Account Control, click on OK or Allow or Yes. Give positive responses. It will open a new window says System Properties. There you can see a tab says Computer Name. Click on the tab and click on the Change button. On the right hand side button, it will open a new window. There you can see the name of the computer. Click on it and give it a name. Then click on OK and Apply. It will close the window. You will be prompted to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Click OK to restart your computer. Once the computer restarts, the computer name will be changed. Please remember, if the computer is provided and controlled by your office, you might not be able to change it, or please ask your office IT administrator to change it. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to LVS Tech Buddy. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the notification icon so that you will never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep on teching.